Hey everyone, I'm Ellie. Welcome to the first tutorial in my DepthMapX series. In this video, I'll show you how to download DepthMapX onto your computer and give a quick overview of the navigation and interface. Start by opening your web browser and typing DepthMapX download into Google. At the top, you should see a link to the official Space Syntax website, so click on that. This is the official DepthMapX download page. So as you can see, this is a spatial analysis tool that is used to analyze spatial networks, things like building layouts, streets, and open spaces. It's used to understand how people move through these spaces. It helps architects and urban designers predict movement patterns, visibility, and accessibility, which makes it a really useful tool for planning. So now that we're on the download page, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see a button that says Download DepthMapX. Once you click on this, it will take you to the official GitHub page. Once on this page, if you scroll down, you'll see a bunch of different download options. Choose a version that matches your computer. For example, I'm using Windows, so I'll select the 64-bit exe file. But depending on what type of computer you have, is what option you will download. So once you click on it, you'll see it begins downloading at the top of your screen. After it's finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the DepthMapX application. A small window will appear asking you to accept the license term, so in this case just click OK. The software will then launch, and this is the main DepthMapX interface. The layout is quite simple. At the top of the menu bar, there's tabs like File, Edit, Map, Attribute, Tools, View, Window, and Help. Below that is a toolbar with small icons for common functions. On the left-hand side, there's an Index tab and an Attributes List tab. These panels display your project layers and the data from your analysis. So I'll show you how to start setting up a new file. So to start up a new map, go to File and then New. You'll see that a blank black screen appears. That's the new workspace. So to import a file for analysis, go back up to the top and click on Map, and then scroll down to Import and select your file. Double click on it to load it, and you'll see now it appears in the workspace. So a bit about the navigations on the screen. If you use the left button on your mouse, you'll see that it brings up the selection tool. Then if you use the right button on your mouse, you'll see that it drags around the interface on your screen. And then lastly, to zoom in and out, just use the scroll wheel on your mouse. So that's a quick setup and navigation overview of DepthMapX. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to create different types of maps and begin running basic analysis. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.